Are you recording this?
I just love that you have a broom.
I need to. What else am I gonna do?
I know. Glitter everywhere. Do you say you want another cigarette? I do have a cigarette, but I don't know where mine are. Just sweep it on the hallway. Here too. There's some there. By this Lavarium, there's lots of glitter. You can see.
Okay.
I just love that. I just love that you're Susie Homemaker. Patty is fucking Susie Homemaker tonight. Look at her. She cleaned up all that glitter.
Yes?
I think so. I mean, she cleaned up her content life. Here she comes.
Susie Homemaker?
I
Is what she's called.
thought it was Susie Homemaker.
Homemaker. Susie Homemaker. Like, that's what my mom always calls her.
Damn.
I still have some glitter left though, so it's good.
Yeah. Hey. I'm here. Bye-bye.